hold the bag, the apple bag?
Apple bag. And get apples.
When we come back. Hi, baby. You excited?
Yeah.
Oh, Amy does this all the time. Here, hold my hand. Are you excited?
I'm not having a fun time.
This is actually fun. Grandma picked an apple. Did her baby pick a baby one? I hate that noise. Come here, look, watch. Watch, Mommy will take a bite. Look.
I'll take a bite.
Oh, they're good. Too good? What do you think?
Let's do it.
It is good. It's really good.
Come on.
How did you get? Cold and delicious.
Did you wipe it real good?
Yeah, that's right. It's good.
You tried it now?
Mommy, what's the sir?
The sir?
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
I keep walking though.
So this is not the normal place that we go apple picking, but careful, don't step on them. Oh, it's like a minefield of broken apples.
Yeah, that's true.
And I don't know about you guys, but apples that are fresh off trees are just so much better than what's in the store. They're so good.
That's apples.
Yeah?
But all of them so much.
You love them? We're coming.
You've been hanging around my son too much.
Why?
He walks and he tells me, I said, what's that smell? I'm like, I don't know.
You want to take some pictures? Here, you want to sit down here and take pictures?
I don't get down. I don't get down.
Go like this, say, okay.
I don't want okay.
What do you want?
I don't get down.
One, two, three. Your fingers.
Oh, Dina, look. They had a history of the stuff. And little pictures, newspapers.
We'll go see the cows and the pigs and all of it too.
Dina, look.
What?
Dino, it's not. It's like a pumpkin.
Yeah, but why?
Yeah, but look, they got little. I know, but this looks like one of those olive oil bottles. Why is this one so little? These bell peppers are so tiny too. Okra.
50 half dozen and 1 for a dozen.
You want to try them or no? We want to try them until we get home or tomorrow. Huh? You guys make the
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
They're like crackers.
It's what?
Use your card.
You can touch them. You know, you can touch them. Don't let them take your food though.
Careful. They bite.
They don't.
Mommy, there's a buckle.
Hi. Hello. Hello, goat. Hi. Hi, hello.
Careful, Havana.
This one's nice. Just let him smell you. Let him smell you.
Hungry. He might eat like
Let
your
him
fingers.
smell you. Yeah.
If your fingers are chicken.
No, that one tried biting me twice. Come here, Havana. This one's nice. Look it. Look, he smells. Yeah. See, look. Oops, he sneezed.
But
You got hand sanitizer on?
Yeah, I have it in my purse.
but he's actually nice. He's so big.
He is big.
It's a baby coat.
I don't think there's babies, honey.
I want to give it food. A baby. Okay, your baby. It's okay.
That one likes to eat sticks.
Yeah, see?
I want to go in here.
You can't go in there.
But why does it say that?
Pumpkin.
Just for decoration?
That's yucky pumpkins.
Is it for decoration?
No, they're real.
No.
You can buy the pumpkins.